Welcome to our tutorial on how to import stops using a Google Sheet link on the Zeo platform. This feature allows you to seamlessly integrate your data for efficient route planning. Let's get started. On the dashboard, select Stops, then Upload Stops. You can upload the input file from your system, Google Drive, or provide your Google Sheet link or URL. Ensure the accessibility permissions for the sheet are enabled. Map your data. Match the columns in your spreadsheet to the appropriate fields in Zeo, such as address, city, country, customer name, and contact number. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the import, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Edit or adjust any details as needed. Once everything is verified, complete the import process. Your stops will be added to your route planning list within Zeo. To learn how to create a route once stops are imported, refer to our tutorial on how to create a route after stops are imported. And that's it. You've successfully imported stops using a Google Sheet link, making route planning more efficient. Thanks for watching.